To install the Supply Boss application on your Android smartphone, go to the Google Play Store and select Alpha Launch. Accept the options there and click Install. Once the program is installed on your smartphone, click Open. At this point, you will be asked to install one or more apps, but click Cancel. Then go to Settings, and then go to Alpha Software Demos and click on that. When you do that, click Delete. That will get rid of the demos that came with Alpha Launch. At this point, click the Scan button and scan the barcode from the Supply Boss website. Tap Supply Boss, and when you do that, it'll give you the option to show the programs that are available. Click on that, click on OK, and click on Install. When you do that, it'll download the Supply Boss onto your Android smartphone. This will take a few moments as it has a lot of files to download. Once those files are done, click OK. Once that's done, you now have the Supply Boss on your smartphone.